what we have learned in previous class? In previous class, we might have learned our 6th chapter in English. Okay, so that is a poem, right? 6th chapter, that is poem, we have learned in the previous class. So that poem name is Just Me. So in that poem, we have learned the poet is saying something about himself. That he told, I have 8 fingers. Okay, so it is very useful to me, and I have 1 nose, it helps to breathe. Okay, and I have 2 ears, it helps to, my ear helps to hear when mommy is calling me. Okay, and I have 2 legs and 2 feet and toes. With the help of leg toes, I can break the ground heavily. Okay, and I have 2 hands. With the help of hands, I can do many different things. Okay, so all this poet told about himself. In this poem, we have learned that poet told something about himself. And also we have learned rhyming words in previous class, right? So what do you mean by rhyming words? So rhyming words are the words which ends with the same sound, or called as rhyming words, right? Okay. And till then we have learned in previous class. Okay, students. But in today's class we shall learn our 7th chapter in English. So that is the chapter name is At the Zoo. This is the 7th chapter. At the Zoo. Okay. So children, have you ever seen zoo? Okay. So everyone have seen zoo. So what will be there in the zoo? In the zoo there will be animals. Okay, different animals there will be in the zoo. And what would be in the zoo? There will be pond. Okay, pond in the zoo, and not only pond, there will be different trees, plants. Okay, and animals in the zoo. Okay, so let us read this story and understand what is there in this story. Okay, so here Seema and Anandi. The name Seema and Anandi. A-N-D-I. So here Seema and Anandi, they both are friends. Seema and Anandi, they are both are friends. So they went to zoo. So what they are saying in the zoo? So let us read. Seema, what's in that pond? Anandi, it's a duck. So here Seema asked to the Anandi that what's in that pond. Okay, Seema, she saw a pond in the zoo. Then she used to ask to the Anandi what's in that pond. Then Anandi replied to the Seema, it's a duck. Who replied to the Seema? Anandi. Anandi replied to the Seema, it's a duck. Seema, no, it's not. Again, Seema told to Anandi, no, it's not. It's a fish. Okay, Seema told, no, it's not. Okay, Seema told to Anandi, no, it's not. Then Anandi replied to the Seema, it's a fish. Okay, but at last Seema told, no, it's a crocodile. Okay, then at last Seema told to the Anandi, no, it's a crocodile. Okay, so do you understood this paragraph story? See here, nothing. Seema and Anandi, they both are friends. So one day they went to the zoo. So in the zoo they saw a pond. So in the pond there was a crocodile. But Anandi thought it's a duck. Seema told, no, it's not. Seema told that it's a crocodile. Okay. Anandi thought it's a fish or duck. But Seema told to the Anandi, no, it's a crocodile. Okay. So this is about the first paragraph. So the second, that is Priya and Raj. Priya. P-R-I-Y-A. Priya and Raj. So let us read this story of Priya and Raj and understand. What's on the tree? Raja, I cannot see. So Priya and Raja, they both are friends. They went to the zoo, and after going to the zoo, Priya asked to the Raja what's on the tree. Priya is a girl. Write on the board. Priya is a girl, whereas Raj is a boy. See, you can see in this picture, in the page number, textbook page number 34. Okay, textbook page number 34, first picture of Seema and Anandi. They went to zoo, and there was a pond. In the pond there was a crocodile. Okay, this is the first paragraph, and second paragraph of Priya and Raja. Sorry, it's not Raj, Raja. Priya and Raja. So they both are friends. So they both went to the zoo. Okay, after they went to the zoo, what Priya is asking to the Raj, what's on the tree? So here Priya asking to the Raja that what's on the tree. So Raja replied to the Priya, I cannot see. Okay, Raja told to the Priya, I cannot see. Then Priya told, take one hint, it has a wing. Raja, it is a butterfly. So Priya told to the Raja, take one hint. That means suppose you think it has a wing. Then Raja told, I think it is a butterfly. Again Priya told to the Raja, no, that's not correct. Who told this? Priya was told to the Raja, no, it's not correct. Then Raja told, is it a bee? Priya, no, it's not a bee, it's a bird. At last, Priya told to the Raja, no, it's not a bee, it's a bird. Okay, so this is about the Priya and Raja. You understood this? Next, we shall go to third paragraph. That is Reema and Rohit. Reema, R-I-M-A, Reema, Rohit, R-O-H-I-T. So Reema is a girl, whereas Rohit is a boy. Okay, Reema is a girl and Rohit is a boy. So let us understand what they are saying in this story. Reema, let's eat something. Rohit, I have an apple. So here Reema told to the Rohit, let's eat something. So they went to the zoo, and they were discussing about themselves. Reema told to Rohit, so let's eat something. Then Rohit told to the Reema, I have an apple. So Rohit is having one apple. Reema, what's the color of the apple? Again, Reema asked to the Rohit, what's the color of the apple? Then Rohit replied to the Reema, red color. Red. That means the color of the apple is red. Who told this? Rohit told to the Reema. Next. Reema, I have a yellow colored banana. Let's eat it. Reema eats the banana and throws the peel on the ground. So here Reema told to the Rohit, I have an yellow colored banana. So Rohit is having red colored apple, whereas Reema is having a yellow colored banana. So she told to the Rohit, so I have a yellow colored banana, let's eat this banana. So they have eaten the banana, and after eating, what Reema does? Reema eats the banana and throws the peel on the ground. Okay, so here Rohit is eating apple, whereas Reema is eating banana. So they have eaten fruits, apple and banana. After Reema eating banana, what she has done? The peel of the banana. After eating banana, the peel is left. She has thrown on the ground. So Reema eats the banana and throws the peel on the ground. After eating banana, Reema throws that peel on the ground. So what Rohit told to the Reema means, it's a bad habit, pick it up. Reema laughs, I have no time, runs and steps on the peel and slips. So when Reema throws the peel on the ground, Rohit, he got angry and he told to the Reema that it's a bad habit. Pick it up. Right. So when Rima threw the pin on the ground, Rohit told to the Rima, it's a bad habit to throw on the ground. So go and pick it up. Go and pick that pin. This way, Rohit told to the Rima. So what Rima told? She laughs. And I have no time. She told that I have no time to pick that pin. So she runs and steps on the pin and she slips. So she told that I have no time to take that pin. Okay. So after telling that words and what she done, she ran. She ran and she kept her leg on the pin. Then she slipped her leg. Okay. Last, Rohit helped her to get up. Rohit, what he does, he helps Rima to get up. Now pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Rohit told to the Rima. So now pick it up that pin and put in the dustbin. Rima, you are right. Where's the dustbin? Again, the Rima told, yes. Again, the Rima told to the Rohit. Yes, you are right, Rohit. I'll pick this peel and I'll put in the dustbin. So where is the dustbin? Rima is asking to the Rohit. It's there. Read what is written on it. Rima told to the Rohit, it's there. Dustbin is there. Once you read what is there in the dustbin. So Rima, loudly she reads, keep the place clean. See, you can see in the picture there, textbook page number 35. So, there is a dustbin in the middle of Rima and Rohit. Okay, so Rima slips here. So, Rohit helps her to get up. Okay, so here Rima tells loudly, keep the place clean. That means we have to keep the place clean. We should not throw any garbages on the road or along the way. Okay, always we should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Okay, students, we should keep the place clean. Okay, we should be hygiene and clean. Okay, if we be clean, we will be healthy and strong. Okay, students. Okay, so this is about the story at the zoo. Okay, this was very interesting story, right? Suppose your both friends are going to the zoo and you are discussing something. Same thing here is given about that. Okay, here Seema and Anandi went to the zoo and they were asking what is there in the pond. Then again Anandi thought it's a duck or fish. Then Seema told to the Anandi, no, it's a crocodile. And the second para, that is Priya and Raja. So here the Priya told to the Raja what's on the tree. Then Raja told, I cannot see. Then Priya told, suppose you think it has a wing. Then Raja thought it's a butterfly. No, then Priya told to Raja that is a bird. Okay, this is about the second para. And the third para, that is Rohit and Rima. Rohit and Rima, they were eating fruits. So Rohit is eating apple, whereas Rima is eating a banana. So Rima, what she does after eating the banana, the peel is left, right? So what she does, she throws the peel on the ground. Okay, then the Rohit told to the Rima to pick up that peel. Okay, Rohit told to the Rima to pick up that peel. It's a bad habit. We should not go like that. In this way, Rohit told to the Rima. So Rima, she laughs. What she told me, she laughs and she says, I have no time to pick up that peel. Okay, then she runs and while running, her leg kept on the peel and she slips. Okay, then Rohit told, now you pick up the peel. Then Rima thought, it's right. I'll pick up the peel and I'll put in the dustbin. Where is the dustbin? She asked. Who asked this? Rima asked to the Rohit. Where is the dustbin? Yes, I'll put in the bin. The peel means she went Again, the Rohit told to the Rima, it's the dustbin. Once you read what is there in the dustbin before you put the pin on the dustbin. Okay, so this is about the small story of at the zoo. Times I have repeated you. Just once you read in your home and understand what is about this. Okay, students, so pictures also he has given about each story, each picture he has given. See, this is the picture of Anandi and Seema, and this is of Priya and Raj. Third is of Rima and Rohit. Fourth picture is of also Rima and Rohit. These three pictures of Rima and Rohit. Okay, so this is about the story at the zoo. Okay, do you understood? So I'll give some of the words to practice in your home. Okay, students? So mix, I'll give 2-letter words and 3-letter words. Okay. So first, you think this is the difficult words. Okay. Difficult words. Difficult words. That is a ball, B-O-Y, ball. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Red, red. Oh. So students, I have given some of the, I have written some of the difficult words on the board. That are so difficult words shall be repeat once. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Okay, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Red, R-E-D, red. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Okay, so these are some of the words. Okay, these are some of the difficult words. What you have to do, you have to practice in your home. Okay, so listen here. While writing the words, once you remember, children, the first letter of the word should be in the capital letter, whereas the second letters, okay, second, third or something, after that, after first letter, the second letter should be in a small letters. Okay, you understood? First letter of the word should be in the capital letter. Okay, always we use first letter of the word should be a capital letter, whereas we have to use small letters in the middle of the words. Okay, so this is about the difficult words. Students, so what you have to do, each word you have to practice 3 times in a home. I will mention the homework here. Write homework 3 times. So students, I have written here homework. Today's homework, write homework 3 times. That means words, these difficult words, you have to write one word. You have to practice three times. Okay, then only you can able to write a difficult words easily. Okay, students, write these words in your home and practice it. Okay. So I hope you understood this chapter at the zoo. Okay, students. And so students don't go outside. Be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you.